Hey everybody, it's Chris. Welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog that I did over the past weekend in New York City with Noah and Craig. We went to Vegandale, and Vegandale is just a vegan festival that they usually do every year. It's in Chicago, Toronto, New York City. I have been in the New York City one a few years ago. It was really fun, so we really wanted to go to this one. And this was the first event we had been to in a couple years. So the last one I was at was the Syracuse Veg Fest back in 2019. So it was good to get back out there again and go to a festival. I will say that it was really hot. I got some sunburn and my beard fell off. The music was really loud there, so I was going to try to voice over a little bit of it, but even with our lapel microphones, it's still overwhelmingly loud, and there's no way that this video is going to pass the monetization test. So we're going to get strikes on that and not be able to monetize the video, but I still wanted to put our original voice in it for what it's worth and not voice over everything. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Here it is. I know I look a little different. I accidentally shaved my beard. It was an accident though. I'm here with this guy.
Accidentally?
I did, yeah. Yeah, I was trimming it.
Yeah.
And then I trimmed it with the wrong.
Oh.
Yeah. There was that one long hair that I had to go back, and I forgot that I put the other attachment on. Boom! Had to take the whole thing off. We're at Hercules Candies. Oh, it smells like a candy shop in here for some reason. So we have a long drive ahead of us, so we'll see you guys in like 4 hours. First, we had to stop so Craig could fill his tires with air while he fixed his hair. Today, we're going to New York City. Did you hear the Conjuring house is for sale?
Breaker 19, we got a low cloud coming in. That's a 10-4, buddy.
I have no idea who's going to be there as far as vendors go, but we've got connections, so are we going to call?
Yeah, we're going to call.
We're going to call.
Hopefully.
We're going to call some people that know. They already have everything lined up, where to go, what food to get.
And they're probably just going to wait.
That's
for
crazy.
Like 2 hours.
It doesn't open until 11.
They want to be like the first in line.
Is it loud enough?
I just remember that this is... Hey, what up? What are some of the vendors that you guys are going to? Like, what's your plan?
I don't know. We haven't figured out our plan yet.
What? I thought you had one.
No, we never did it last night. We ended up doing something else.
Oh, all right. So, you don't know?
No, not yet.
We're gonna
figure it out probably when we get there.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Let me know when you know.
Okay.
All right. See ya.
I got some mac and cheese here. I forget the name of the place we got it from. They had a wait in the line because their power was out or something.
Yeah.
We also have some fried chicken there, but it wasn't available yet. But we ended up getting mac and cheese, and then Craig got, what is it called?
Tachos.
Tachos.
Yeah, they're tater tots with cheese sauce.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this. It's hot. Mac and cheese.
66 and 67.
Here we go.
They got the broccoli dancers on stage. They got an impossible meatless slider. That's right, 66 and 67.
That's good. Very comforting, and the first thing I've eaten all day.
Yeah. That's almost the first thing you've eaten all of today and yesterday.
And the pros are, I'm not gonna get it all over my beard.
All right, I'm ready.
All right, I'm about to try the tachos. A tiny bit of a spice, a nice flavor. It's good. Honestly, I probably would have cooked the tater tots a little bit longer, but all in all, it's good. Nice comfort food. I wonder how they made it.
Very carefully.
I mean, I'm wondering because I wonder how bad it is for me.
Yeah. If I can get it on my fork. Oh, it's good. It's like, it's not spicy, but I feel like there's a little bit of a kick. I think it said it was like Cajun tater tots. It's definitely salty, which I like. And it's nice and cheesy. It's really good. You can definitely taste all the fat and the salt in it, but that's why it's so good.
Comforting.
And this is the mac and cheese that Chris got. Does it taste like kind of garlicky to you?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like a little bit like garlicky mac and cheese. The texture's pretty good. It's good.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe it. It's mac and cheese. It's hard to mess up.
We got the pink lady.
Yeah. You want to hold on to that? Yeah.
And
It smells like onions over here.
It does. This reminds me of a bag of blood. I got a
So how's this
purple
thing?
straw. It's like a slushie.
Yeah.
There you go. It wasn't as much as we thought it was.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is actually cheaper than we thought it was.
Yeah.
And the line was moving really smoothly. It's like they knew what they were doing.
Yeah.
That's good. It's a little bit more sour than I would expect, but it's nice and sweet though too.
Yeah, and it's so
it's
hot
like
right
a
now.
watermelon lemonade kind of thing.
I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, and for September, it's pretty hot right now, so.
It is, very much. The pink lady. I'm so thirsty.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, that's so refreshing right
Right?
now. Out of all the food, I'm just so glad to have this. We are striking out on the food right now.
Yeah.
We got mac and cheese because the chicken wasn't ready. And then we stood in line for about a half an hour for pizza, only to be told that
They're not taking orders.
they're not taking any more orders. And the line was like an hour back.
Yeah.
So we just stood in line and we got the pink lady. And I'm so relieved.
No regrets.
I'm
with
getting
this.
sunburned.
Yeah.
It's so hot out here. And there's really no shade except for in the back of the booth.
Yeah.
So why am I getting so close when I could be like way back here and you can still hear me
Yeah.
perfectly? I could come over here
It's
and
true.
you can listen to me. Oh my God, that's so good. That's so good.
I can't hear anything he's saying.
We passed it before, but there is pizza over here, and we're gonna
There's so
grab some
many
pizza. Our blood bank's gone, so we're gonna get some water. Smart water is free. Apparently, we didn't know that.
Yeah.
42-degree smart water. And then what else do we got?
What else did we get?
No, what else do we got down there? Something
Oh,
like
yeah,
fried
we're getting
chicken.
chicken, lettuce
chicken.
feast, I think.
And then we'll probably maybe try to get ice cream and then head home.
Yeah, and get out of here.
All right, all right.
That'd be good, yeah.
The skyline of the city. There's Gregory. We found the smart water. We're in line.
Thanks.
Got the ashwagandha? Thank you. What you got, margarita?
Oh, yeah.
Margarita pizza from New York Pizza Supreme.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let me know how the pizza is.
Yeah.
Who's ready for the kids
Live long.
Did I hand you, or where'd my juice go? I just left it right here.
Delicious. A nice New York pizza. Tastes like a New York pizza to me.
And this comes from a guy whose margarita pizza is your favorite pizza. So you got high standards.
It is. Tomatoes good, sauce is good. I'm not sure what kind of cheese they use, but it's good. And we were cutting through the booth to come back here. We found some nice juice. I got a green juice.
I got a watermelon juice.
I got this one. So, yeah.
Do the broccoli dancers want to come on stage?
They say fly girls have more fun. So what? So you should enjoy yourself.
So you said like something was broken or something?
Yeah, so the electricity went out.
Okay.
I didn't hear you calling.
Oh, I was just calling you. I was gonna say I'm pretty close to a friend. Do you want anything?
Closer than you were.
Yeah.
All right, we've waited about maybe an hour.
Yeah, it's probably like an hour or so.
Probably a little more, actually. And you're finally here, Van Leeuwen. I hope it's worth it. You're gonna get 3 scoops.
Yeah.
The side right there.
Oh, this time. I thought you were saying it was something inside
Third
there.
paragraph down. They talk about eggs, milk, cream. That ain't vegan.
Do they not always carry vegan? It's not all vegan?
No,
And then
it's
the
not.
triple is
And then the chocolate chip cookie dough or the chocolate cookie dough chunk, do you know which one is better?
The chocolate chip cookie dough is vanilla based, and the chocolate chunk is chocolate based.
Okay, so I'll get the chocolate chunk then.
All 3 soups.
Oh, would I be able to get?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So I'll get one of those, like one of the chocolate, whichever one you said is chocolate based.
You want one of the chocolate based?
One of the chocolate cookie dough based ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I have one of those, honeycomb, and then the cookie crumble strawberry jam. I said, are you gonna have some too?
Do you want a spoon?
No thanks.
Okay. I'll just take one actually. Yeah. Thanks, up.
Enjoy, my friend.
Thank you. All right.
There you go.
Finally, after like
1 hour wait.
at least an hour.
There it is, folks.
All right. Hopefully that was good.
Now you gotta try it.
I got a good thumbnail, I think.
Yeah.
So after waiting in line for like over an hour, this is the strawberry crumble jam or something like that.
It's the jam.
Oh. Wow, that's really good. I don't
So
know if
was
it's
it
because it's
worth
so
it?
hot and I'm hungry or what. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's worth it waiting in like line for an hour.
I definitely got a
But-
sunburn on half my face.
Yeah. But it is really good though. I could see going in the shop, waiting for 5 minutes and paying like $10 for it.
Well, that right there was $10.
I know. And an hour.
You could probably go buy 2 pints for $10.
Yeah. And this is like some apple caramel or honeycomb thing or something like that. Not honeycomb. And then there's like a chocolate one buried underneath that. That's good though. Van Leeuwen's doesn't disappoint.
Well, what do you think?
No, I thought I already did it.
I know, but what do you think of Vegandale?
A lot
We-
of lines.
we-
Like, so we had a couple friends who came here like super early, and they just like ran to all the ones that got the super long lines ahead of time, so
Yeah.
then they didn't have to wait. So if you come here super early, there's not as bad lines, but
We didn't really get to try too many things
yeah,
because the lines
of
were
the
so
lines.
long.
Yeah. And also don't underestimate how hot it's going to be because a lot of the times, like a lot of the vegan I've been to, it's been very hot.
Yeah, it definitely means veganism is growing. They said there was like 25,000 people here, so it's just going to keep getting bigger and bigger, so that's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So many vendors here, it's just kind of overwhelming. You don't know where to go to eat, but I don't know, maybe if you want to grab something on the way out, I don't know. Is there any other spots you want to go as we leave or no?
I didn't have my eye on anything, but if you want to stop anywhere, let me know.
All right. I still have to drive to Buffalo tonight, so my day is not over. And I have not slept 1 minute. I've been up since yesterday, so I really maybe I can get some sleep on the way home.
Yeah.
This is all mind power. Go at your own pace.
That's loud.
Just stay
Oh, it is.
consistent. That's all.
Yeah. Vegandale 2021,
It's a wrap.
New York City. Now, let's drive for 4 hours.
I know. We probably spent 4 hours driving, 4 hours here, 4 hours driving.
Oh my God.
That's a day.
And that's Vegandale. If any vegans out there want to check out a Vegandale event near you, I think they do it in Chicago, Toronto, and New York City.
Yeah, they've done it in I think Miami before, and like they change them all the time.
Definitely a cool event to go to as a vegan. And if you're not vegan, you can still go there and check it out. There's a lot of food there and just vegan fun things to do. So.
Yeah. The food is like so good that I think like whether you're vegan or not, like you're gonna like it.
And there was a lot of people that went there that aren't vegan that go there and check out the food, and that just that solidifies that you don't have to eat like bland grass and hay when you're a vegan. So
yeah.
So I think it's a great event to have, and I like it. I mean, hey, we wouldn't have driven 4 hours to come here if we didn't.
Yeah, I think it's good to know what you're getting into ahead of time. Like you're paying $10 to stand in really long lines for overpriced vegan food. If you know that that's what you're signing up for, then it's a good time. If you don't know that's what you're signing up for, you're maybe not gonna have a good time.
Right, we did, that was one of the downsides is, yes, everything's pricey and you're gonna be standing in line for quite some time, and that's what we did. So we weren't able to get a lot of things we wanted to get because the lines were ridiculous.
Yeah.
So, we spent 5.5 hours there, and we only really got 3 or 4 things, which is a bummer, but I still had fun. I think Craig had fun.
Yeah, I think I did too.
And so I guess that's it for the vlog. If anything happens on the way home, I'll turn the camera back on. But other than that, stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Look at that Range Rover. There's 2 Range Rovers right there. 2 Range Rovers. Traffic, looking for my chapstick.
There's a Ford Maverick.
Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Later that night, I did make my way to Buffalo with no sleep. And then I did the Buffalo Veg Fest yesterday, which was a lot of fun. I did a cooking demo there, and then I went home and caught up on all my sleep, which leads me to now. I just finished editing this video, and now I'm going to head over to No Egg Craig's channel and check out his video version of the same events. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next one.